Welcome, Christine, to this short interview. Thank you very much for your time. Christine is one of my learners, and she has bought my How to Use Microsoft Teams course and also the Hub, otherwise known as the Full Monty. And I wanted to ask Christine how the Teams course has been helping, and also when she went on to buy the Hub, how has that been benefiting her in her work? So Christine, over to you. What made you get the Teams course in the first place, and how has it helped?
Hi Shelley. I bought the Teams course because I was suddenly plunged into a desperate need to learn all about Teams, as I was being asked to deliver training via Teams, and I had absolutely no knowledge about it whatsoever. So I had to first of all get Office 365 sorted, and then I worked through your Teams course, which helped me absolutely no end to learn about Teams and to do it one step at a time, really, to sort of take baby steps. That's what I like so much about it, because it's bite-sized chunks which I could really understand and I could play back if I wanted to. So I found that I had a really much better understanding of the whole Teams concept by the time I got to the end of it.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much for that. So thank you ever so much for that, Christine. It's so nice to know that you value what you've learned. And that's the most important thing to me, that you have learned and that you can apply that. And it's helping you in your work as well. So that's great. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure. Thanks, Shelley, for having me.